Hello guys, welcome back to my channel ग्रामर के. So guys, CA फाउंडेशन का एडमिट कार्ड रिलीज़ हो चुका है. इंटरमीडिएट फाइनल का तो हो ही चुका था. So these are the steps you have to follow. So firstly आपको ICAI वेबसाइट में जाना है. Then you have to click on the desktop site if you are using with the phone, okay, and then click on the self-service portal. After clicking on this, the dashboard is appearing. There's a link provided for the CA Foundation admit card, June 2023, and intermediate and final. You have to click on the foundation, and the screen is appearing. You have to fill the details like student registration number and the password is in the format of year, month and date proper, okay. And then after filling this details, you have to download admit card, and these are the notes, guideline notes. There's appearing PDF. You have to open it. It is mandatory for the exam, okay. These are the guidelines provided, and here the PDF of admit card, CA Foundation, okay. Hope you guys like my video and then subscribe to my channel.